welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you this easy, gorgeous, natural looking hairstyle, no leave out, using Brazilian wool. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, I'm going to be using these old cornrows that I have in my head. Okay, so if you have some cornrows and you don't know what to do, sis, I got you. Alright, so I'm going to be using my crochet needle and this original Brazilian wool. Okay, so I got this from Amazon and I'm gonna put everything in the description below. And then I also have this Jamaican black castor oil and my coconut oil mixture just to make sure my hair is really nice and moisturized and juicy or whatever. Alright, so once I'm done, I'm just gonna take the Brazilian wool. I'm going to take it out of the pack exactly the way I'm doing. I'm just gonna measure the amount of hair that I want to use. I'm going to make sure, you know, I have the hair coming all the way down to my chest because I want it to look like Miss Tupo1. Got some big hair, don't care, long hair kind of situation. Okay, once I'm done measuring, I'm just gonna take my scissors and then cut both sides. And then I'm going to have like one big bunch of hair. And I love this wool, honey, because it looks like it's your natural hair and you can do a whole lot with this wool yarn or whatever you want to call it. All right, I'm about to show you so many other different ways you can rock this hair, but first of all, let's try to do it in a long hair kind of situation and see how this is going to turn out, sis. Okay, I'm going to show you guys two ways on how you can do this. So you can actually take out strands at a time. If it's harder for you to comb it out, use a brush and just, you know, brush it down. Okay, so exactly the way I'm doing, just take like 4 strands for each crochet, or you can just comb it all together exactly the way I'm doing. Okay, so the whole point is just to make sure it looks like it's your natural hair. It looks natural. It looks like, you know, Miss Tupo1 grew her hair overnight or whatever. I'm going to start parting the hair a few strands at a time. Okay, take my crochet needle, the basic crochet needle, just gonna go to the last corner, place it in, open the hook, take the Brazilian wool, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once I pull it out, I'm gonna have my fingers open the little hole right there. Once you open the hole, you're just gonna take the wool, place it in, and then pull it out. This hair right here is nice and coarse. You only have to do it once, sis, okay? Because you don't wanna have trouble taking it down. It's not gonna unravel. It's not gonna do anything. It's going to stay, sis. So all you wanna do is just place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the Brazilian wool, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. Once you pull it out, don't pull it all the way out. Make sure your fingers go in, take the wool, place it in, and then pull it out. Once you tie it once, it is really nice and secure. It's not going to unravel just because it's coarse. Feels like natural hair. It feels like how your hair would feel like. Okay, sis, once I place the first line, I'm going to skip one line and then go to the next one just because the hair is already bulky. I don't want it to be too full. I want it to look realistic, like, you know, like how some people have like thick natural hair. That's how I want it to look like. You don't have to crochet each and every corner. You have to actually skip 1 or 2 just to make sure, you know, you are not too full or whatever. If you don't want too much hair, but if you want to have too much hair, you know, if you want to have thick hair, don't care kind of situation, you can go ahead and crochet on every single corner. So I make sure I crochet the beginning of each corner when I'm done, just because I want it to look realistic. You know, sometimes your hair blows up or whatever, you know, you're walking in the streets and your hair is blowing and you're looking cute. And people are like, whoa, okay, what happened to those sections right here? It looks like Miss Tupo1 forgot to add some hair in the other sections. Oh my gosh, I'm having too much fun. When my voice is this hyper, it means what? It means the style is easy peasy lemon squeezy and anybody can actually do this. I mean, if you have never tried any of the styles, I keep saying this, but y'all like, Tupo, you keep saying this on every video, but I'm telling you, these styles are easy. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. You just gotta believe in yourself and try it, baby. You just gotta believe in yourself, sis. I believe in you. Go ahead, give it a try. You can't say you have failed until you try. I'm going to show you guys again. So you're going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the Brazilian wool, place it on the hook, close it and pull it out. So once you pull it out, make sure your fingers go in. Once you open the hole, you're just gonna take the wool, place it in and then pull it out. show you guys how I'm going to make sure my side part looks really nice and realistic, nice and natural. So all I'm doing is crocheting very, very close together, but the technique remains the same. Okay, so I'm going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. Once I pull it out, I'm going to make sure my fingers open the hole right there, and then I'll take the remaining of the hair, place it in the hole, and then pull it out. While we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes! Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Oh my gosh, you guys are making your girls' dreams come all the way. What? Yes. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the real MVPs. You already know I am nothing without y'all. Thank you so much. So I'm going to show you guys again. You're going to place the crochet needle in. So take a little strand of the Brazilian wool, place it in, close the hook, pull it out. You're gonna make sure your fingers are opening that little hole right there, and then you're going to take the corner piece of the Brazilian wool, place it in, and then pull it out. So you're going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the Brazilian wool, place it on the hook, close it, and pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're just gonna take your fingers, open the hole, take the rest of the hair, place it in, and then pull it out. Sis, as easy as ABC, anybody can actually do this. Make sure you're crocheting very close together. That way it looks realistic. That way it looks like it is growing out of my scalp. That way, you know, it looks like Miss Tupo1's hair grew overnight or whatever. I am feeling myself right about now before I'm even done. I mean, come on, this hair right here, I have not done anything. I just wanted to show you guys, like, you can actually just take it out of the pack, not doing anything, just brushing it all the way down and get yourself a nice hairdo, period. Once I get to the back, I'm going to do the same exact thing. Make sure, you know, I'm just crocheting as far apart as I can, because I don't want it to be too much hair, because girl, I want it to be a big hair, don't care, but I don't want it to be like extra va-va-voom or anything like that, okay? So I want to make sure, you know, it looks realistic. It looks like, you know, Miss Tupo1's hair is nice and thick and long and juicy. Anyway, so that's all I'm doing right there, guys. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. And when I tell you anybody can do this, you better believe me. I just wanted you guys to see that this Brazilian wool is the biznayi. You feel me? And I'm about to do a whole lot of styles using this Brazilian wool. And you guys are going to be like, what? This hair right here, you can do actually a whole lot of things. And then I'm just gonna take the scissors and make sure I cut all these flyaways, okay? All right, so once I'm done crocheting, sis, I'm just gonna take my brush. So I'm going to be using this brush just to make sure I create this illusion, like this is natural hair, this is my hair, it is growing out of my scalp. And then I'm just gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure my baby hairs are nice and laid. And then I'm going to take my styling strip and make sure everything is nice and situated. And baby, when I tell you, this Brazilian wool natural hairstyle came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for this natural looking hairstyle, sister. I'm telling you, I'm looking like Miss Tupo1 grew her hair overnight. This looks realistic. This looks like my natural hair. This looks like I woke up and my hair was all the way long, and it is soft. It is actually very soft. I don't feel like I have anything on my head. This is so cute. I love this hair right here. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot style or whatever, because I am feeling myself right about now. And then I'm going to show you guys a few ways on how you can rock this hair right here. So I'm just going to take my scrunchie and then do a back ponytail. That's about it. And baby, when I tell you, I am looking good. I feel like this is looking pretty. I love this. And by the way, sis, we are launching more products on our website, and these earrings right here are one of them. Oh my gosh, I love these earrings. They are so cute. I'm going to show you guys, another way on how you can rock this. So I'm just gonna take the hair and then go around, make this into a bun, and baby, when I tell you, this looks like Miss Tupo1 got her hair done. This looks like Miss Tupo1's hair grew overnight. This looks like I know what I'm doing. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot style or whatever, because I am feeling myself right about now. All right, so I'm just gonna section the hair into two and then twist both sides all the way down. As easy as ABC. Anybody can actually do this. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna crisscross them in the back exactly the way I'm doing, and then use my bobby pins to secure it. When I have an opportunity to turn myself into a bride, I do not waste no time, okay? I'm just going to take this little accessory that I have and then place a bobby pin in, secure it on my side right here, and then take it all the way to the back right there. And baby, when I tell you, this came all the way through as well. And oh, by the way, these are the second earring sets that will be available. So if you are not a gold girl, you can actually get some silver there too, honey. It's going to be a whole lot of choices, okay? This is just FYI, so get ready. Get them coins ready. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Oh my gosh, let's get to 1 million subscribers, because baby, at this point it is up from here. But make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.